Hoochie poo. Hoochie poo. Hoochie poo.
For refreshingly real ginger taste, grab a Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Real ginger.